Hello everyone, I'm Nurfitriana. I'm the student of Pancasakti University exactly in Bekasi. In this video, I'm gonna share to you all about communication for business. Okay, let's check it out. Business communication. Communication is neither transmission of message nor message itself. It's the mutual exchange of understanding originating with the receiver. Communication needs to be effective in business. Communication is essence of management. The basic function of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling can't be performed well without effective communication. Communication here plays a very important role in a process of directing and controlling the people in the organization. Immediate feedback can be obtained and misunderstandings, if any, can be avoided. There should be effective communication between superiors and subordinated in organization, between organization and society at large, for example, between management and trade unions. It's essential for success and growth of any organization. Communication gaps should not occur in any organization. Importance and purpose of communication. Just a communication is vital for our existence and civilized society. So also it's essential for functioning of organization. So without communication, there would be no organization. Needless to say, communication is the ingredient that makes organization possible. It's the vehicle through which the basic management functions are carried out. Managers direct through communication. They coordinate through communication. They staff, plan, and control through communication. Virtually all actions taken in organization are preceded by communication. The success of any business to a large extent depends on efficient and effective communication. It takes place among business entities, in market and marketplace, with organization and between various groups of employees. Owners and employees, buyers and sellers, service provider and customers, salesperson and prospects, and also between people within the organization and the price person. All such communication impacts business. So everyone, business communication skills are critical to the success of any organization despite its size, geographical location, and its mission. Business communication is interlinked with internal culture and external image of any organization. So it's the determining factor to communication inside the organization. Good business communication practices assist the organization in achieving its goal of informing, persuading, favorable relationship, and organizational goodwill. So that's the importance of business communication. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. If I get wrong, please feel free to correct me. Goodbye!